Good afternoon, everyone. This is Moving Mark back out on Route 66 again here in one of my favorite small towns along Route 66. I'm here in Lebanon, Missouri with a couple of business owners that have a very, very special place here that they would love for you to check out. And I'm going to let them tell us a little bit about where we're at and what kind of establishment they have and what makes it so special and the places you want to pull your car into and bed down for the night.
Michelle Cochran.
Hi, I'm Randy Palella.
And we have the Manor House Inn here in Lebanon, Missouri, and we are right on Route 66 off the main drag here. And our bed and breakfast is about 117 years old. We have owned it for the last 2, and we kind of brought it back to its glory days. We have 6 rooms for nightly stays. A few of them are small and themed, and a couple are bigger suites. We have a library that pays tribute to the original owner, Mr. Lenz and his family, and we have a Route 66 game room where you can kind of catch up on some pictures along the route, play a few games, watch some TV. And then where we're standing here is just the little common area, the living room, and we've got it set up for some good conversation.
Well, fantastic. How would someone connect with you? What media do you have? Social media, websites, all that kind of good information?
Well, the easiest way is to find us on the web at manorhouselebanon.com. You can also find us on Facebook at the Manor House Inn and just find it in Lebanon. And we also have an Instagram feed, the Manor House. And really, that's about the best way, or you can just give us a call and we'll gladly hook anybody up.
And what is that number?
That number is 417-718-6200.
Okay. Both of you are fairly new to Route 66 in some respects, but what is something that you found out that's interesting about Route 66? What makes this special on Route 66?
Well, for starters, this house was built in 1903. The original owners, they bought it, sold it to their kids, and they turned it into what was known as a Lenz HoMotel. Okay. And it operated as a HoMotel from the 30s to about 1975. Okay. This house is set here in Lebanon on the Route 66 for as long as I can remember, driving past it, looking at it, and it's just always been kind of a staple of Lebanon. So when we got the opportunity to buy it and then restore it to its original beauty and to the original use after the owners allowed people to come into it.
You've done a fantastic job with it. You were mentioning earlier in our conversation that you travel Route 66 when you were 19, is that correct?
Yeah, when I was in my teens, I traveled back and forth from here to California several times. Never really appreciated what it was at the time. And now that I'm older, I'm trying to learn a little bit about Route 66 and what it is and how it's been a part of our country.
Well, fantastic. You got any words that you'd like to say about Route 66 as far as something specific that means something to you on Route 66 besides your fantastic bed and breakfast here?
Much like Randy, I mean, kind of grew up around it, grew up a half a mile off of Route 66 and never really knew what we had right there, but it's really interesting to learn what it has developed into.
Well, from what I understand, you do the bed and then the breakfast, but if someone was in the town that wanted to eat, let's say, a lunch or a real nice dinner, I understand y'all have a place that you'd recommend in the area. Would you like to do a plug for that?
Well, as it so happens, Randy and his wife Bronwyn own the Elm Street Eatery just a few blocks up the road, and I work for them. And most of our stays include a meal voucher for the Elm Street Eatery. For some point in their stay, you can get breakfast, lunch, dinner, anytime.
Fantastic. It has absolutely been a pleasure doing this brief interview with you, and this not only we'll be doing the spotlight video, but I'm going to be doing a follow-up tour video, and I'll be publishing this fairly quickly. Any parting words of wisdom you'd like to give the viewers?
Well, we appreciate your time and coming to kind of showcase our house, and hope you enjoy your stay here if you come and visit us.
Fantastic. That is great information, and once again, they're located on original Route 66 in the Lebanon, Missouri, and reach out to them, and they will make sure to get you all taken care of with anything, as earlier mentioned, a single room all the way up to a suite situation. And once again, this is Moving Mark signing off on Route 66. I'll see you down the road. Everyone have a great day.